What does Waka Waka mean in African?
Hey there, welcome to this video. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, Waka Waka, in African culture. It's a catchy phrase that many of us have heard before, especially in the context of music and entertainment. So, what does Waka Waka actually mean? Let's dive in and find out.
Origins of Waka Waka.
The phrase, Waka Waka, originates from the Bantu language family, which is spoken by various ethnic groups across sub-Saharan Africa. In Bantu languages, waka means to walk or to travel. It signifies movement, activity, and exploration. So, when we say Waka Waka, we're essentially emphasizing the idea of going on a journey or embarking on an adventure.
Waka Waka in popular culture.
In recent years, Waka Waka gained significant popularity through the hit song, Waka Waka, This Time for Africa, by Colombian singer Shakira. The song was the official anthem of the 2010 FIFA World Cup held in South Africa. It incorporated African rhythms and elements, celebrating the spirit of unity, joy, and enthusiasm associated with the tournament.
Symbolism and positive vibes.
Waka Waka has become more than just a phrase. It has evolved into a symbol of positivity, optimism, and embracing new experiences. The repetitive nature of the phrase adds to its infectious and uplifting rhythm. It encourages people to keep moving forward, to keep exploring, and to enjoy the journey of life.
Cultural diversity and interpretations.
It's important to note that Africa is a vast and culturally diverse continent with numerous languages and traditions. While Waka Waka originated from the Bantu languages, its usage and interpretation may vary across different African cultures. It can represent different things to different people, and its significance may be influenced by regional customs and beliefs. And there you have it, the meaning of Waka Waka in African culture. We explored its origins in the Bantu languages, its popularization through music, its symbolism of positivity and exploration, and its diverse interpretations across African cultures. Remember, Waka Waka is more than just a catchy phrase. It's an embodiment of the vibrant spirit and rich cultural heritage of Africa. So, keep on Waka Waka-ing and embracing the adventures that life has to offer. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.